Hello everyone, this is our lecture number 17 and today we discuss second type of problem for finding the quantity of earthwork. Here we take work out cost of earthwork for a portion of a road from RD0 to RD19. This RD is the reduced distance. So RD0 to RD90 meter from the following data. Means here we have given one road. For that now we have to find the quantity of earthwork, and here we also find the quantity of earthwork as well as abstract of cost. So here we have given the formation is in the downward gradient of 1 in 30. Formation width is 10 meter and side slope is 2:1. Rate of earthwork is 370 per 100 cubic meter. Here formation is in downward gradient means after every 30 meter the formation is going downward. How much? 1. 1 in 30. For example, if we are given 1 in 100 means after every 100 meter our formation go downward at 1. Here formation width means we have given B 10 meter and slide slope S is equal to 2 and earthwork cost is 370 per 100 cubic meter. Or we have given some value for natural surface means we have one surface. In this surface we have some embankment or filling or everything. So here we have given level of the surface at every 30 meter distance. So at 0 meter we have 205, at 30 meter we have 205.60, at 60 206, at 90 206.80, and we have given formation level 210 at 0. But we have given here downward gradient of 1 in 30. So for finding the formation level we have to reduce 1 in formation level every 30 meter. So here if we have 210 meter, that means we have to deduct 1 at 30 meter. Again after 30 meter we have count 30 meter means we have to go 60 meter. So here we also decrease 1. So 208. So at 30 meter again 90 we have reduced 1 207. So this is the surface level and this is the formation level. So we have to construct our road up to the formation level. So finding the height, what we have to do? We have to subtract formation level minus natural surface. Here we called as filling also. Here we called as filling also. So here we find height of the particular area. So now we have to find the quantity of earthwork. For that we have to find area. So we have one formula for that. Here we used mean sectional area method, but it's your choice which method you want to use. Here we use trapezoidal formula directly. We not use here BD plus SD square into L. Here we directly find area with the help of trapezoidal formula. We know that trapezoidal formula is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H. We have given A is equal to 10 meter. We have to find B. So for B, this length and this length is equal. Why? Because this is the rectangle. So if this is the 10 meter, so this is also the 10 meter. We know that this value is SD and this value is SD. This concept we already cleared in our previous lecture. So we have given D is equal to 5 meter. Not given, we have here find D is equal to 5 meter. So 5 into 2, here we get 10 meter and 10 meter. So total base width is 30 meter. So A plus B, 10 plus 30 divided by 2 into height, that is 5. So here we get 100 meter square as a answer. After 30 meter we have to find again. So for that we have given or find 3.40 meter as a depth of the base to formation level. So here we find 57.12 meter square as an answer. Now we have to find at 60 meter. So 60 meter we have find 2 meter as a height and 2 into 2 4 meter as a SD, so total is 18 and here 10, so we get here 28 meter square. Here we get 2.08 meter square as a value. So in all four reduced distance we have find area. Now we have to multiply these all area with the length. So we have find this area at different reduced distance. Now here we already discussed that this numerical we solve with the help of mean sectional area method. That's why here we take mean of the area. So for finding the mean area, we have to add this both and divided by 2, add this both divided by 2 and add this both divided by 2. So this part is nil and we have get 3 mean area. And finding the quantity of earthwork, we have to multiply with length. So here we length take as a 30 meter because the difference between one radius level and second radius level is 30 meter, means you have to construct 30 meter road at a time. That's why here we take 30 meter as a length. Now we have to multiply this length and area, we get different quantity of earthwork at different lengths. So total quantity of earthwork is 4084.80 meter cube. Now we have to prepare abstract of cost for the quantity of earthwork. So this is the abstract of cost. We have quantity of earthwork. We given unit is percentage meter cube. So rate is given 370. So percentage meter cube means 3.70. We have to divide this with 100 because 100 per cubic meter. So 370 divided by 100, so 3.70 multiply with this quantity. Here we get amount as 15113.76. Now we have to add some contingencies also. So here we divide this contingency in two parts. Actually we have to take 3% as a contingency and 2% as a work establishment charge. This work establishment charge term is already discussed in our previous lecture. This charge is considered for as a lump sum charge because in this charge we have given salary to the supervisor and watchman and different designations persons. So here we total add 5% contingencies. So we have to find 5% of this value. We get 755.688 as an answer. After that we have to add this value. We get 15869.448 as a rupees. So this is the cost of quantity of earthwork up to the reduced distance of 90 meter. Now in our further lecture we discuss one more numerical for understanding the concept. So today's lecture is over. Thank you.